Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach another line dance to give you step-by-step instruction for this dance. It's called Juke Joint Love. If you are interested in the content of this video, of this channel, please subscribe. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you so very kindly for your support. This is the step-by-step instructional. If you want to dance to the music, just watch till the end and I'll post it at the end of this video. And if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. So this line dance is a four-wall dance. There have been some misunderstanding if it starts on the left or if it starts on the right. This dance starts on the right and it moves counterclockwise, not clockwise, not on the left foot, not clockwise, on the right foot, moving counterclockwise. And here we go. So let me give you the step-by-step instructions. Stand on this side and look in this direction. Now, this is a trail rider dance, so they move a little different than we do. And so line dancing, the urban line dancers, when we do the step drag, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's not what they do. They don't move it up, they move it side to side. So you're gonna go right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Okay, real simple. Then you're gonna do a cross mambo, okay? Now, they do their cross mambo a little different than we do. We do right, left, right, right, left. They don't do that. They kind of dance with their lower extremities and they bend their knees a little bit. So they're gonna go right, left, right, left, right. Okay, they bend down a little bit with their boots on, their trail riders. Okay, so let's go back to the top. So we go to the right, we're going side to side, we're not moving it forward. Right, left, right, left, cross, right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step, okay? So it's a cross mambo with a triple step. Don't forget your footwork. Right, left, left, right, okay? From here, they're gonna cross again, but they're gonna do a kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Did you see that? So they're not gonna kind of sweep. They're not gonna do a drag. They're gonna do on the right. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Okay? And they do that 4 times. Right over left, left over right, right over left, left over right. Now it almost looks like that cross mambo, but you're taking out the triple step and you're hitching. All right, so let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7. Step drag to the right. Right, left, right, left, right. Cross. Right, left, I'm sorry. That isn't it. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right. I'm sorry. Kick, hitch. So on that last one, we're gonna set it up to prepare ourselves to turn. Like I said, the dance is a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So our right shoulder is going to move forward. We're going to turn to our left, okay? It's a 4-wall dance. You're going to do the same thing at each wall. So on that fourth kick, and hitch. Kick, hitch, slide back, right, left, okay? When you slide back, right, left, you're still going to be looking at this wall. When you go to do your step drag, that's when you step to the next wall with that right shoulder moving forward. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. That's how you get to your next wall. Step drag to the next wall, moving forward. So let's do that kick, hitch again. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, slide back, right, left. Okay, so when you come down on that left, slide back, right, left. You're still at this wall. You need to go to the wall to your left with your right shoulder going back, coming forward. Quarter turn, the next wall, 4-wall dance. How you gonna get there? Step drag. 5, 6, 7, starting to dance over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide 7, 8, which is right, left. Now, moving forward, so we finish at this wall. Our next wall is going to be to our left. We step into that next wall. Right, left, left, right. Left, right, left. It's a 4-wall dance. So each time we take that step drag, we move to the next wall. The only time you're not going to do that, you haven't done it at your original wall. So when you start the dance for the first time, you stay here at this wall. Right, left, right. Left, right, left, cross. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Now you're done. You start the dance again, step to your next wall. Right shoulder go forward. You go counterclockwise. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Remember, on that last one, you want to slide back, okay? You kick, hitch, slide back, right, left. When you're on both of your feet, weight is really on your left because you stepped on your left knee. What's the last step? Then you finish at this wall, start to dance over. The wall to your left, counterclockwise. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Kick, hitch, left, right. Kick, hitch, right, left. Start the dance over. Right, left, triple step. And that's juke joint love. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you watch till the end because we're going to dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.